This is Joan of Arc and your friendly neighborhood police department from BCPO, Bacolod City Police Office. So here we are right now, painting the logo of the Philippine National Police Region 6 with the mantra, Stronger PRO6. And Julius is doing the sketch of the hashtag, just be good at it. So let's see if he's good at it. Alright, go, 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 ANA, Association of Negros Artists. On the other side of the gate are Zek and Michael doing the logo of the Bacolod City Police Office and also the Philippine National Police logo. And so a little Ilonggo word for you, the Ilonggo word for police, that's the sign up there, is still police, but pronounced PULIS, P-U-L-I-S. I'm not sure if you can read that. That's the police symbol, PULIS. It's spelled police. Okay, police. So there's police, the Bacolod City Police. Okay, so we're almost done with the initial first layer after the sketch, and then we go to the detail work. Just be good at it. The BCPO hashtag. Just be good at it. Bacolod City Police Office. So we're almost done with our mural. There it is. Stronger PRO6. This is Joan of Arc from the Bacolod Police Headquarters, BCPO, Bacolod Police Office. Saying, see you in our next video. Please like, share, and subscribe on your local